Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Okay, in today's video, you really have to pay attention. This is a great video. Put your orders in ASAP. You're going to be doing it curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. These two boosters are stacking. So when you spend $45 today on P&G products, you're getting back $25. And this is specifically online only or curbside only. If you do it in store, you're only going to get 10 back. And if you look at the fine print of the booster, it says valid online only, and it's for today only, which is August the 1st. If you don't like what I selected, you have to look for this earn 15 when you spend 45 on certain P&G products. And the manufacturer coupon should be right down below, so you'll just have to press it to activate them as well. Because for this video, I am somewhat rushed, so I'm not going to be showing every single coupon like I normally do. Let's get right into it with deal number one, because I want to get to the Dollar General clearance event. For this one, we're grabbing 4 of these Old Spice deodorants, BOGO 50% off, and we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I'm going to toss in 3 of the OLAY liquid body washes, and you might have to mix and match. And for this specific item, we also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Just to show you guys, the 2 $5 coupons are in fact coming off. Any sort of code like WAG10 or anything like that, not working with this one. I did try this morning. You might want to try, but then your math will have to balance. So the subtotal for this is exactly $45 on the nose. So if you are able to get a coupon code to work, you're going to have to add a couple more items. After the $10 melting off and tax, you're going to pay $38.61 with your debit card, and you're getting back $41.45. $25 for the 2 boosters, $8 for the deodorant for buying 4 of them, and then an additional $8 for buying 3 of those Olay body washes. So how fantastic is that? And make sure that you're buying the 3 Olays and the 4 to get the 16 back for those. It has to be in those increments if you start mixing and matching. The next deal that we're looking at is for the parents out there. For this one, we are going to be grabbing 2 of the Easy Ups. We're looking at the 3 off 2 digital coupons, and there's a variation for Pampers, which is a P&G product, and it's part of this promotion as well. So 2 Pampers, and then I went with 2 Swaddlers as well, and there's 3 off 2s for both. Your store might have 4 of these travel size secret whole bodies, kind of a tall order. Throw 4 of them into a basket, and there's a $1 off 2 digital coupon. Load that as well. Just to show you the dollar coming off, $3 for Pampers, $3 for Easy Ups, and using the code WAG10, $1.10 also melting off. Okay, so the subtotal is $53.96. We have $1.10 melting off. So you're at $52.98, $7 also coming off. So you're going to pay $49.03 plus, well, that's including the tax. And then you're getting $33.53 back, $25 for the 2 boosters and $8 for the deodorant. So if you look at this, not factoring in the tax, it's like $12.51 for 3 or 4 bags of diapers, and then 4 travel size deodorants, which is a very good price point. Remember to pay with your debit card. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3, and this is the last one I have prepared for you. We're grabbing 2 of these fancier Old Spice total body deodorants. There's a 7 off 2 digital coupon loaded. And then we're also going to load 2 $9.99 secret clinicals, and this one also has an additional 7 off 2, and these are $9.99, buy one get one 50% off. And I had to grab 2 different scents because it was impossible to find any store that had 2 of them around me. And then we're also going to toss in, for good measure, a Tide liquid detergent for $15.99, and there's a $3 digital, so load that as well. And take a look at this, guys. 7 off 2, $3, 7 off 2, WAG10 taking an additional $1.30 off. So that's a nice little chorus line right there. Total for this one is $51.95, and we have so many coupons melting off as well, like $17, which is really nice, and the $1.10 with WAG 10. So without tax, it's like $33.85 you're paying, and then you're getting back $33.51. So it would make this transaction completely for free. You're getting back $25 for the 2 boosters and an additional $8 for the deodorant for buying 4 of them, part of that promotion this week. But make sure you ask your cashier to process your transaction through a regular register, because IBOTTA is going to give you back an additional $4 for the Old Spice totals. So an extra $4 back, so it makes it a little money maker. Go and put your orders in right away. Start finessing the math. And don't forget, for the balances, you have to use debit or credit card for all these transactions. Bye, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.